These are hearts.
And you need, and I can.
We'll fill them with chocolate.
Fill them in chocolate.
Filled chocolates.
Filled chocolate. We got
for Easter.
We got Easter. Yeah. It's Easter today.
Is it a treat?
Yeah, it's Easter today.
Not today.
Yeah.
They're coming up. Are you ready?
Chocolate. This is chocolate.
Is that chocolate?
Uh-huh.
You gonna eat it through the wrapper? How about you open it?
I'll eat some.
So we often use a 90% chocolate, but this is a bit of a sweeter treat for the kids. So we're gonna just use a 70% chocolate. Got the scissors, okay.
This is your scissors.
You can open, yeah. And all you'll need for this recipe is a microwave and the ingredients and a heat-safe bowl. If you have a beater, that's handy, but a whisk works too. Yummy! Hey, you're eating our chocolate. And you put the chocolate in the heat-safe little bowl. Yeah, put it in there. We have to put it in the microwave. It's over here. Okay, here. Put it in here. Stir it every 10 to 15 seconds. And when there's just a few chunks left, just stir that to finish it. You can put the coffee in the chocolate, okay?
What?
You dump it in?
Yes. Dump, dump.
Dump, dump. Now we're gonna put some in the molds. We have one that's like a Reese's. We'll do like a Reese's Pieces shape, but a big Reese's, and then heart shapes as well. So we're gonna put a coating on the sides. Don't use that, love. We're gonna use a brush. We are gonna put some in the bottom and on the side.
Oh, see, chocolate on the floor.
Chocolate on the floor. Clean up. Just make sure you get every single side of the mold. Really good with the chocolate. And then it goes in the fridge after. An icing bag, yeah. So we made up the mousse. You can go to our other video online. I think it's called Decadent Mousse or something like that. Check out 4, the joy of it. All one kind of word. Number 4, the joy of it. And you'll find our video there with the recipe for this. Yes, and we're gonna put the tip in the bag and we're gonna pipe this into our chocolate molds. Okay, we're gonna put it into the piping bag. We're gonna fill. You don't want to fill it all the way to the top because you got to put the chocolate on yet. Now we're gonna put the chocolate on the top. Sorry about the messy bowl, but we've been mixing with this bowl all day. And I didn't want to waste chocolate by putting in a fresh bowl, so.
I'm gonna mix it.
We're gonna just put a bit of this on the top and just smooth it around. And it's hard to do this with a camera in my hand. So the other ones will look neater, but it should look like something like that. And then just very gently to level it off and continue on with each one like that. Level them each as they go because it's cold, so it will firm up pretty quick. Then in the fridge, and then they'll be ready to eat. Put her there on the counter. Don't look. Don't open your eyes. No peeking. Here, we'll give that to Daddy. Do you see? Where are they? Oh, what was inside? Is the mousse in there? Is it good? Should we make these again sometime? Okay. Boys, you can come have yours. One each. Okay? You can have a heart and one of the other ones. Okay? What do you think, Joel?
Good.
Is it good? What do you think, Caleb? Yummy? So just put them in a sealable container. And if you're going to eat them in a couple days, put them in the fridge or put them in the freezer. Remember, there's no preservative in that filling. It is all real goodness, and so it actually can go bad. It's not like something you're going to get from the shop that's stuffed full of fake stuff. So enjoy.